Kia ora, my name's Victor Hape. I'm from Whakatane, living there currently. On my wife's marae, we over at Pāhau Marae, over in Poroporo in Whakatane, just out of Whakatane. On my own side, I'm one of our trustees on our marae at Kutarere at Ohiwa. And I've come again to Parakore to refresh my knowledge from previous and to see what's new, and also to try and implement the Parakore concept on our maraes back home. Yeah, my hopes and aspirations haven't changed since the first one. It's still about taking the concept back home to our people, and to try and get them to focus on, we do a lot of wastage, I really admit, and it's trying to obviously minimise that through the practice that you guys at Parakore are teaching us. And if we can do that, then obviously our rohe, like up here, it's going really well. But I think if we can sort of do that well back home, then our whenua is going to be healthy, which will in turn make our people healthy.